Did you know that you can DIY your own beads using air dry clay? I've got a little bit of cornstarch, a measuring spoon, and some air dry clay that I bought at the dollar store. I'm using the measuring spoon so all of my beads are the same size. Just rolling them in my hands and then poking a hole through both ends with a skewer. And then you're going to set them aside and let them dry. It takes about 24 hours. Once they're dry, I've got a piece of 120 sandpaper and I'm just taking off any little high edges. Now we're going to paint them. This is a fantastic way to paint beads. Add a little bit of paint and a little bit of water into a dish with a lid. I'm adding a little bit of sand because I want them to have a stone look. Throw the beads in that little container and give it a shake and you've painted beads. This is so fantastic and it'll work for any type of beads. Put them on a paper plate, use a heat gun to dry them, not a hair dryer, they'll blow all over the place. And look at that fantastic texture. I've added a little tag, a homemade tassel. How easy is that? Air dry clay beads.